Good day to all employers. I am Felicitas Gaso, a Filipino, a Roman Catholic Christian, married, 40 years old with two daughters. Humbly speaking, when I was in primary and secondary level, I am an honors student. I finished the degree of Bachelor in Business Administration, major in accounting. Before going abroad to work as a domestic helper, I had experience working in different companies in the Philippines as an office clerk. Because my parents don't have enough income to support the schooling of my younger brothers and sisters, I go to abroad. I applied to Hong Kong to work as a domestic helper. Although being a domestic helper is not in line with the degree I finished, I'm happy because I earned enough to support the schooling of my younger brothers and sisters, and I found a very kind and considerate employer. I started working with my employer when I was 26 years old. I do the general household chores like marketing, cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of the newborn baby, bring and fetching the kids to and from school, and do tutorial in their homeworks. And now the kids of my employer are grown up already, my main attention is to take care of the grandmother. She is 93 years old. I change her diapers, take her bath, feed her nutritious food, feed her vitamins and medicines. Because I have my own family and I want to give brighter future for my children, I am applying now to you, Madam and Sir, to be your live-in housekeeper. I hope you will choose me, and I can assure you that I will give my best to reach your expectations to be a good live-in housekeeper. I hope to work with your family soon. Thank you very much, and God bless.